Foot offers guided and virtual tours in cities all around the world. Subscribe to our channel for walks around some of the most popular and some of the off-the-beaten tourist sites. And more than just virtual walks, you're going to get a local expert tour guide to tell you all about it.
Welcome to Harlem. You got to have a little fun. You got to edge it out a little bit.
If you take a look at the west side of the United States Capitol building, you'll notice, of course, the American flag.
It really was like a rebirth for New York City. It was a really big deal, enough to inspire all of this.
So when the news came that we weren't going to be able to have Mardi Gras parades this year, we said, screw it, we're going to figure out how to do it anyway. This isn't a thing that we skip. So
we're going to head in to the governing political and the spiritual heart of London, Westminster.
And when you're ready to visit us in person, we have videos to help you plan your trip. Free tours by foot, a priceless experience at a price you choose.